Hello friends, in today's episode we look into some amazing miracles of organic Epsom salt in your gardening. We learn why you should use Epsom salt for your plants and how to use Epsom salt as a liquid form and also in your potting mix. That's coming up. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our channel along with the bell notification clicked. Well, Epsom salt is an easily available, inexpensive, naturally occurring mineral salt that has a wide variety of applications. It is used in medical science, agriculture, gardening, and even for many home remedies for health and beauty. Epsom salt is chemically magnesium sulphate, and obviously it contains the element magnesium. Did you know that magnesium is the centralmost atom in between the 4 nitrogen atoms in the chlorophyll molecule? For beginners, chlorophyll is the pigment present in leaves, which is essential for photosynthesis, that is, plant food production. It is so much important, and that is the reason why magnesium is rightly called as the major minor element. For beginners, the major elements required for plant growth are the NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and the minor elements like the magnesium, calcium, boron, zinc, iron and many others. Well, now let's list out the best uses of Epsom salt in gardening and farming and how much Epsom salt to use for each gardening task. Please watch this episode till the end. On number 1, seed germination. Magnesium is proven to help in seed germination and helps by strengthening the cell walls and leading to much stronger seedlings. You should be aware of a problem called damping off, which affects the seedlings, resulting in rotting and death of the young plants. Of course, this topic needs another detailed episode to discuss in detail. But for now, remember, to prevent this problem, make a solution of 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt in 1 liter of water and spray it on the seedlings once or twice daily. 1 teaspoon is roughly about 5 grams by weight. On number 2, improve foliage appearance and strength, meaning increase the greenery of your leaves or even lawn grass. As I said earlier, magnesium is an essential component in the production of chlorophyll, which is the green pigment in plants. For this, you can make a foliar spray made up of 1 teaspoon in 1 liter of water. Spray this once every 15 days to keep your plants lush and green. If you're lazy or do not have time to make a foliar spray, you can just sprinkle 1 or 2 pinches of Epsom salt around your plant soil. It is water soluble and can easily get into the roots of the plant whenever you water the plant. Another method is drenching the plant with Epsom salt solution whenever you are watering your plants. For this, you can use about half a teaspoon per liter of water and drench your plants whenever you are watering them. This way, it will uptake magnesium from the roots as well as from the leaf stomata. On number 3, treatment and prevention of leaf curling, which is due to magnesium deficiency. Of course, there are many reasons for leaf curl and leaf discoloration, whether it's up curl or down curl, and there is a pattern to identify different micronutrient deficiencies. I have discussed in detail about leaf curl in one of my previous episodes. To treat leaf curl, you can mix about 2 teaspoons or 10 grams of Epsom salt in 1 liter of water and spray this on your plant foliage. Make sure the foliar spraying is done maximum at the underside of the leaves because the stomata or leaf openings for absorption are located in large numbers at the underside of the leaves. On number 4, transplant shock or repotting shock. Whenever we repot a plant, the roots and the plant invariably face a bad situation which is called as the transplant shock, which can even kill your plant. To counter this shock, you can follow 2 methods. When you take out the root ball for repotting, you can just soak it for an hour in Epsom salt solution. Or alternately, you can just water the plant with Epsom salt solution immediately after repotting. The dosage is again the same proportion, that is 2 teaspoons in 2 liters of water per plant. Water this weekly once or till the plant recovers. On number 5, nutrient absorption. Magnesium is a component of many fertilizer products because it facilitates the roots to uptake or absorb vital nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur and many other nutrients. On number 6, magnesium hungry crops and plants like the potatoes, roses, tomatoes, lemon trees, carrots and peppers are very much benefited. You get healthier fruits and vegetables when you use Epsom salts once every 15 days or at least once in a month. On number 7, garden pests like slugs and snails are killed by Epsom salt. You can directly sprinkle on these common garden pests. On number 8, Get beautiful, healthy and big-sized roses by using Epsom salt. As I mentioned, rose is one of the magnesium-hungry plants. Adding Epsom salt along with decomposed cow dung or even vermicompost once every 15 days to your rose plant around the soil can really make a difference. You can also perform a foliage spray of Epsom salt solution as already discussed. The dose is same, like 1 teaspoon in 1 liter of water. Then on number 9, adding it in potting mix. Magnesium sulphate is pH neutral, so it will not significantly alter the soil pH. You can watch my detailed episode on the universal cocktail fertilizer powder we prepared by mixing a lot of stuff like the vermicompost, cow dung powder and many other stuff. You can exclude urea and NPK from this mixture and make it a complete organic mixed fertilizer powder. You can watch that episode from this end screen link circled right here. Please like, share and comment below with your feedbacks and queries. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Happy gardening!